Today, I'll be reviewing the Decible miner, an incredible cost-effective mining device. This plug-and-play miner boasts exceptionally low electricity consumption while offering impressive daily returns. Join me as I explore the miner's profitability, ROI, and give my overall honest opinion on the mining device. And if you're interested in purchasing a Decible miner for yourself, go ahead and type in Farrington in the promo code section to save yourself 35% off the purchasing price, which will bring your total to $97.50. Okay, so let's go ahead and take out the Decible miner from its box. So as you can see here, it was well packaged when I received the device. In the box, I received the power and charging cable. I also received a microphone, and I also received the Decible miner itself. Okay, so I'm sure you're wondering why there's a microphone in this package and why this miner uses a microphone. So this Decible miner is responsible for collecting the sound volume data from various environments, and there's companies that are willing to pay for that data, and they can make use of that data, with city planners, realtors, and could play a crucial role across multiple sectors. And all of the miners that come from the Fry Foundation are repurposed and reused computing hardware that has had a life and a purpose before, which I think is a very cool and interesting fact about this project. Now, if you are somebody that supports anything to do with environment and decentralization, then this project should be of interest to yourself, or something that you would at least take a look and take a note of. Okay, so the setup and installation of your indoor Decible miner is very, very simple to do. So all you need to do is just plug your power cable into the wall, then and plug this into the back port, and take your display port adapter, go ahead and stick that into there. And from there, we can remove the microphone from the packaging and just plug that into any of the USB ports of your own choice. Nice and simple. I'll plug this into the front. So once you have your USB microphone plugged in, all you're going to need to do is ensure that you have your Ethernet port plugged in or your Wi-Fi adapter, then go ahead and press the power button. Now all you need to do is just take yourself over to the Fry Foundation website, take yourself over to hardware miner resources, and take yourself down to indoor Decible miner for this one in Pacific. And what we're going to need to do is go ahead and click to download. Go ahead and download this, and once this is downloaded, we're going to go ahead and follow the installation process. Once you've installed this onto your miner, all you really need to do is go ahead and register your device, really. So all you need to do is just go ahead and shoot them an email, or go ahead and fill out this template on their website. You can check out their Discord as well down in the description, and you'll be able to find out a lot more information about the Decible miner if you guys are looking for that type of information. Okay, so let's talk about return on investment for the Decible miner. So currently at the moment it's earning 215.72 Fry tokens per day, and that is the exact same as the bandwidth miner, but at a lot more affordable cost. Also, as I mentioned at the start of the video, you could save yourself 35%, which would bring the total cost of the device to $97. And if you was to purchase that device and start mining on that, your return on investment would be around about 225 days, if my maths is correct, at today's current price at the 21st of the 7th. So like I said, if you was to get the device now, the device would return on investment within 225 days. So that's a pretty good time frame to be looking at to getting your money back. There was a lot more graphics cards back in the day that you'd be looking at 2-3 years on return on investment. So when it comes to such a low power, cost effective device, which is extremely affordable, especially with the coupon code, yeah, I can't fault this device at all. And like I say, all this device does itself is you plug this in, you leave it in anywhere you want. You could leave this in your spare room or anything like that. All it's doing really is just grabbing the data from the environment, and there's companies out there that are willing to pay for that data, so you might as well go ahead and sell that, because like I say, in the majority of cases your phone and things like that are already collecting that data and using that for you. So in this concept, Fry token is giving back to the people and making a decentralized network for themselves. myself. So I'm really grateful and appreciate them for sponsoring today's video and sending out this Decible miner for me to do a review on it. And as I say, my honest opinion is I'm really happy with the Decible miner. I'm happy with all of the Fry Foundation's products, and I look forward to seeing all of the products that are going to be coming out soon, and some of the other miners. Like I said, I've read through the white paper. There's lots and lots of interesting things that are worth reading through, and if you have some spare time, I'd recommend going ahead and reading through their white paper. Okay, so I received a comment saying, can you make a video on how to withdraw this? Now, I'm just going to throw this in here very short and simple for you guys so that you guys understand how you can withdraw, sell, or even purchase yourself some Fry tokens. Now, all you're going to need to do is go ahead and take yourself over to the Para wallet. I will be leaving a link down in the description, so make sure you check that out. But you will need to download the Para wallet onto your mobile, and when it's on your mobile and you've started to accumulate some of your Fry tokens, you will be able to click onto the Fry tokens onto your phone and then just press onto the swap button. I know you can't really see very well, but press onto the swap button that's just there, and then just once you've done that, you just pick on the amount that you would like to sell, trade, and what cryptocurrency that you would like to trade it to. Now, for myself personally, if I was to sell Fry tokens, which I'm not trying to sell any of my Fry tokens at the moment, I'd rather accumulate it up because I do believe in this project specifically. But if you was able and you wanted to sell some of your Fry crypto and, maybe to take a little bit of profit for the electricity, things like that, and you convert it into Algo, well, you can just go to your Algo onto your Para wallet on your mobile and then send that over to your Coinbase. Very simple, and take your profits, or send Algorand into your Para wallet and then swap and convert that for some Fry tokens, like I have done, just to make sure that I can accumulate ever so slightly a little bit more. I also thought it would be a good idea just to pop in here as well, just to let you guys know exactly how many of these each individual miners that you can have within your household. Okay, so from this list here, we have it that you can have one bandwidth miner under the same IP address. We've also got 5 indoor satellite miners, 1 indoor Decible, 1 outdoor Decible, 1 indoor air quality pebble, and 1 outdoor air quality pebble as well. And for those of you that have been looking to buy a Fry miner or are looking to buy one of these off of this list, the Farrington coupon code will be working on all of the miners on this list, and you'll be able to save yourself 35% off of the purchasing price. So don't miss out. Make sure to go ahead and click on the links down in the description, take a look over on the website, jump into the Discord, join the community, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.